Hey guys, check it out. Got the Willy Butte track set. Couldn't contain my kid, so I turned my, wasn't paying attention, and all of a sudden, boom, this thing was open. So there it is. There are the parts. Alright, so the instruction manual's right there. Let's put this thing together. Cool. Christmas 2017. So yeah, I'll show you guys this thing put together. Cool. Look at this thing. It looks pretty cool. Little loop. Okay, awesome. Okay, there it is.
Oh, we did. Oh, we crashed.
Take a look at this thing. Alright, the goal is to clear the cactus field.
No!
Oh no, he's in the cactus field.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Which one works better, the plastic one or the die-cast one?
The plastic one.
Does it? Yeah, I think it's because it's lighter. I think you gotta hit it harder. Straight, it's good. There's the box. Sorry, the floor's a mess. Got the Christmas tree stuff everywhere.
No.
Alright, Drake, why don't you hit it real hard?
Is it gonna get move the loop?
Huh? He's gonna go.
He's gonna go and through the loop.
Through the loop? It says he got the. Oh, can we change the direction?
Mm-hmm. He does, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, hold on a second. Oh yeah, you can change the way the track looks. There you go. Okay, that's what you're talking about.
Where did the cat?
Okay, so yeah, you can change the track and you can go like this side racer, around the loop. Alright. Let's see if we can hit it hard and get it past there.
It's gonna go in the cactus. Move the loop. Oh no! Oh god.